Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kat. I'm going to change my color. Okay. So, as a lot of you know, I don't hide it. I'm a recovering addict. And I go to the methadone clinic every week. I got all my carries, so I've been clean for a long time. And when I was there on Tuesday, I came across this leaflet of paper. And it is a notice of settlement approval for Canadian, Oxycontin, and Oxyneo litigation. And it says, please read carefully. Ignoring this notice will affect your legal rights. And there's a notice. You can zoom in and read it if you can. Pause it, zoom in, read it. And then a third page. So this was at the OATC, and it was folded on a bulletin board like that and pinned to the bulletin board, so nobody knew what it was. So I took it. And it says, a Canadian-wide settlement has been reached in several class actions relating to Oxycontin and Oxyneo. These lawsuits raised various allegations against the defendants and sought damages on behalf of Canadians who were prescribed Oxycontin and or Oxyneo and allegedly experienced harm or injuries related to their use. Hearings were held in the courts of Ontario, Nova Scotia, Quebec, and Saskatchewan. These courts each ordered issues approving the national settlement agreement. Please find enclosed a notice of settlement approval. This notice is being sent to your facility pursuant to orders made by the courts above, requiring that the notice of settlement approval be forwarded to the addictions clinic listed in the notice plan, which would have been an addictions clinic where I live. Accordingly, we ask that you please post the attached notice to your reception area and or other locations in your facility where it would most likely be seen by class members. Remember, it was folded like this, so nobody could see what it was, which is a violation of what it says here. We further ask it be posted on this date. This letter is received or as soon as possible thereafter through to February 27th, 2024. As explained in this notice, to be entitled as a payment pursuant to the settlement, a class member must file a claim with the claims administrator before the claims deadline of February 27th, 2024. A detailed instructions package on how to file a claim, along with a downloadable version of the claims form, is currently available online at the settlement website at www.oxycontentclassactionsettlement.ca, or a class member may request a claim form to the claims administrator by telephone or in writing at the address noted in their notice. To be eligible for any compensation, class members must submit their claim documentation to the claims administrator before the expiry of the claim period on February 27th, 2024. We thank you for your attention to this matter. So that was the cover letter. Legal fees. The courts have approved counsel fees in the amount of $4.65 million. Interest accrued of $637,000 plus disbursements of $537,000 and applicable taxes, totaling $6,383,000. Class members may retain their own lawyers to assist them in making individual claims under this settlement and will be responsible for any fees charged by such lawyers. Fees charged by class counsel and consortium counsel for such services will not exceed 15% of any individual amounts recovered. Please see settlement agreement for the list of these firms. So, in Toronto, there is Genova Rochon. In London, there is Siskins LLP. In Halifax, it's Wagner's. And in Calgary, it's the Merchant Law Group LLP. There are the groups of lawyers recommended by the class action lawsuit. So anybody who had health problems, family problems, lost their homes, lost their jobs, anything like that, if you have had a problem with Oxy and you are Canadian, contact this. I'm going to put that right there so you can actually see who to contact. It's right there. www. I wasn't addicted to Oxy. I was addicted to hydromorphine. So this doesn't really apply to me. But I know people, a lot of people, who were addicted to Oxy, Oxy-Neo, and it almost destroyed them. I know people that it did destroy them. They unalived themselves, and I think that this class action lawsuit is long overdue. So good on you, Canada, for doing this. And if you have any questions and want to refer back to this piece of paper, let me know. And good luck. Love you guys. And I'll see you in my next video. Stay clean, stay healthy, stay yourself.